Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson. I'm back again today with another 9 trades. Today's date is April the 15th, and I'm using my new simple trading system. This system uses some moving averages on the top, along with Heikin-Ashi candles, and of course these arrows that are called super signal indicator. And down at the bottom we have some oscillating indicators. I kept it as simple as and easy of a system to trade with. You only need 2 triggers on the top and 2 on the bottom. And you're going to get a lot of trades every day. Now you will get an audio sound and this pop-up box here suggesting to buy and or sell. Now every morning at 6 o'clock, right where this vertical line is, I'm in front of the computer looking at all the different instruments, both Forex and the futures. And once I know which way I want to be trading, whether it's up or down or buy or sell. Of course, I also look at my daily trade plan. After I make that decision, I'll manually put in this white arrow. Now here's my daily trade plan. It's running in real time. And the time is 12:20, running a little bit late to do this video today. But as I said, it's running in real time. Analyzing from the monthly right down to the 30 minutes, and within the comments here, after it does some calculations, it'll say look for bearish trades, bullish trades, sometimes it'll say preferred. Now if you're trading without any kind of a daily trade plan, well, that's one good reason why you are still struggling. You have to have some kind of a daily trade plan. Now, if you need more information about this daily trade plan, well, you can look right below the video. In the description, you'll get some information. Of course, if you need more information after that, well, just get in contact with me. Okay, now we can check out these trades I've taken. I've taken some Forex pairs, and of course the futures, the indexes. As you can clearly see, futures indexes move a lot more and they pay a lot more. So let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. This one, I bought it. I bought it at this point, that where I saw it. And euro dollar does pay $10 for each pip, so easy to see. We're looking for 11. There it is right there, 11 pips paying out $110. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, which is the Pound Aussie. Pound Aussie. This one I sold it, so we're going to drag and drop this up. Looking at the charts, well, it did qualify for a great way to trade. And got in at this point right here, closed it out there, continue to move its way down. But I'm only looking for 200 or more pips and or ticks each day, and every day I'm trading, I get it. Had the arrow from the daily trade plan here, the super signal. I knew it was going to go down, and down it went, giving me, it looks like about 16 pips, and that paid out $114. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the Euro Aussie. Let's pull that up, drag this up, see where I got in at. I sold it. Another one qualified for a great way to trade. When I pulled the trigger, had the arrow from the daily trade plan, the super signal was back here. So I got in at this point, closed it out here, just being happy with, looks like about 18. And those pips paid out $128. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the dollar CAD. This one I sold it. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Another one looks like it qualified for a great way to trade. Got in at this point, closed it out here with 23 pips. That paid out $167. Remember, all you need are the 4 triggers, 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom. Once you get it, just get in the trade. So top and bottom, everything looking good for going down, and down it went, as you can clearly see. Now we're moving on to the next, the futures now. S&P 500 is over at the right hand side here. S&P, so drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Now this S&P, it does pay $5 for each tick. They're called ticks. And of course, took the money, divided by 5. So we're looking for approximately 77. So from there to there is 77. If I stayed in, I would have got a lot more. But I was okay with what I got. Looking for 77. There it is right there. And that ended up paying out $387. Moving right along to gold. Next trade, gold. Put it back on the 15 minutes. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan, super signal. Let's see now, gold pays $10 for each tick, so easy to see. We're looking for 47. So let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Got in here. On this candle, I knew that I was going to get an arrow on the next candle. So I just took the trade, not a problem. And what did I say? We're looking for 47. It's going to be hard to get it right on, but it's 47, 47.4. That was as close as I can show, but it 47, and that ended up paying out $471. And on this next trade, which is another one that pays $10 for each tick, so easy to see, we're looking for 65. Russell. Let's pull up the Russell. Let's drag and drop this up, see where it got in at. So had the arrow from the daily trade plan here, super signal. Everything was looking good, top and bottom. So I knew it was going to go. And we're looking for 65. There it is right there, 65 ticks, paying out $650. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, which is the NASDAQ. NASDAQ pays $20 for each tick, so took the money divided by 20. So we're looking for approximately 36. So NASDAQ, drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Another one did qualify for a great way to trade. Everything was looking good, top and bottom, daily trade plan, super signal. Look at, if I would have stayed in, that's why it's my most favorite instrument to trade, the NASDAQ. I could have just traded just the NASDAQ and the DAX 30 today, and it moved quite a bit. So on this one, calculator says we're looking for approximately 36. Up to the top, by the way, is 230, almost 236, but we're looking for 36. There it is right there, 36, and that paid out $714. Okay, moving on to the last trade. I bought the DAX 30. Let's pull up the DAX 30, drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. I had to drop it down to the 5 minutes. Let's just check the 15 first. So looking at the charts, everything top and bottom was saying it's going to go up. So I'll drop back to the 5 minutes so I can get a reading. So I took the money, divided it by 3.75. That's what it pays for each tick. Calculator says it's approximately 335. From there to there is 334. That's as close as I can show, but it's 335, and that paid out $1,256. So another great day of trading using my simple trading system. And I knew that it was going to be well over 200 pips and or ticks. Grand total for today came to 628. And all of those pips and ticks, as you can see, paid out $3,999. So if your system's not producing like my simple trading system, I recommend you get your hands on it. And don't forget about the daily trade plan. And of course, if you need more information, well, just get in contact with me. And that's very easy to do. All you have to do is look right below this video. In the description, you'll get my contact information plus a lot of other information. Now you can pick up the phone and call me directly. And a very good tip for you is that if you buy anything from anybody, make sure you can give them a call. Because how else are you going to be able to get your questions answered? Remember, without support, you're still more than likely going to struggle with your trading. You need support. Now, if you can't call me, that's okay. You can just send me an email. I really do prefer Teams, so I made a Teams link right below this video. All you got to do is click on it. We'll have a Teams connection, and at that point, I'll be able to answer your questions. And of course, we can even do some screen sharing. Now, also in the description, you'll see that there's 6 different packages. The last one I put up there was how to master day trading. Um, I've done it in such a way that it really helps to grow your account much faster. Of course, you should practice in a demo account and only switch to live once you're really good in a demo account. And you'll see, like I said, 6 packages. They do cost $250 each package. That's USD. Now, obviously, if you just want one package, that's $250. Special offer is 2 packages is $400, and 3 packages is $500. Looks like it's just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.